What's going on, people? It's your boy, Mr. Freedom. Speak today, people. Today, people, I'm reacting to two artists from the Myanmar scene, people. You know what I'm saying, people, man. Two artists, people. I've never heard of these artists before, but you know me, I like reacting to new artists across the world. People, if you want me to react to any more of their songs or songs that they got together or songs maybe you want me to react to individually from them or other artists from the Myanmar scene, people, whether it's female artists that rap, sing, or in groups, male artists that sing, rap, or in groups, people. So whether they do hip hop, R&B, trap music, drill music, send me the best artists from anywhere from across the world, people. Let's get into this one right about now. Let's go, people. Let's go. Let's get into this. Let's get into this one. She sounds good, people. She sounds good. Yeah, she sounds good, people, man. She's actually, yeah, she's good, people. She's actually good. She looks familiar though. Like I think I have reacted to her, or I'm just like confusing her with a different artist. She sounds very similar. Like I've seen her face before, or I've reacted to her before. Do you know what I mean? It's been a while, people. It's been a while. Okay.
ရိုးတွေကြောင်းနေစိုးတွေကောင်းနေကောင်းစားပြီကွာရာသီတွေရက်တွေလတွေနေတွေညတွေပြောင်းသွားပြီလားငါဒီမှာမျောကလွင်ကတွေးတွေချားမှာဒိတ်ပြောင်းနေလို့ပဲနာကျင်နာများပြီမို့လွတ်ချပြီးတိတ်ကြောက်လာခဲ့တယ်မြတ်ပကတ်ထားခဲ့ပြီမို့ငါပကတ်တားပြီမို့ချစ်ဆိုတာပြောတဲ့ချိန်ခဏနောက်ပိုင်းကြရင်ခါတီးတီလို့ငါမြဲတမ်းကို drama ရနေလေလွမ်းစရာတွေကိုနာတာနဲ့ဖြေမယ်နောက်လူနဲ့အစင်မပြေတော့ရင်ငါစီကိုလည်းပြန်မလာနဲ့လေကွယ်အာလာပါတာလာပါများစွာထားပါကွာမအား
It's directing his own thing, isn't it? Making sure everyone's good. Everyone's doing what they're supposed to be doing. Getting in position. You know what I mean? Lights, camera, action. You know what I mean?
Kamara boa haknata te kwe piye la la mala me pillo yama la ngama we wa so nyama tri yara kamyara me poni justica ri dwi daw ngama myet yi ja la ra ba ya ya sun pi wa the diary nationary kagari ma chong ma se jam la gen and me ta you carry we damn ya de yummy summer like pinga hey yeah molin bi lo mo chok twa bi maung la da ne ngama yaung cha cha ne atwi ri jaung la ba de oh jo jin nyi bi jo pyat twa yin laung na ba be nei ri yaung ka la me nga si naung ta kham la ne ara shi di bwa ga busy da so yin lo cha bi yin move from bi ya ya easy nga di ma ara shi di bwa ga busy da so yin lo cha bi yin move from bi ya ya easy
She got a nice voice though, man. She definitely got a nice voice, people, man. Definitely, I want to react to her music and stuff.